All right, these are typical items you need when you want to clean your fish when you go out fishing. I always bring kitchen shears. I use that more than my knife. And you notice to my right, I have my fillet knife just in case I do need it. The main thing for scaling is I have a scaler that's second to the left. It has a catch area built into the scaler. As you can see, that it holds all the scales. So even if you were to scale the fish at home, the scales won't go flying. That's the main reason why I do everything at the beach, because it's dirty work. You don't want scales all over the kitchen, and it's a lot easier just getting rid of the fish gut scales and everything once you're down at the beach. After all, the crabs and the fish will eat whatever you give them.
Okay, cleaning your fish. This is a white papilla, white trevally. You notice that no matter, even if you catch a bluefin trevally, they can be this color. But you look at the side fins, the pecks over here will always be white on a white illa or a white trevally, always yellow on a bluefin. So what we do, cut off the scags, very sharp. Scags are the accumulation of the scales, okay? So we cut that off. Like so. Okay, they're off. Then we're gonna scale it. I like to do this outside because less of a mess inside, for obvious reasons, especially the scales. Scales go flying. I don't like that. This catch over here catches the scales. Does a pretty good job. I don't take the skin off because I like frying this whole. When you fry it whole, you get your knife, you make cuts like that across so the skin doesn't pull the meat apart. Okay, instead of using a knife, I like to use kitchen shears. Okay, first we'll snip off that, see that nasty spine right there? Okay. I like kitchen shears better, less chance of getting hurt as compared to using a knife. That's just me. I mean, you can use a knife, no problem using a knife. I just got used to using kitchen shears for doing this, is all. Okay, spread this apart. I like doing this on the water's edge. Feed the fish and the crabs after I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna stick my fingers in, pull out where the gills, move to the front, and that one's kind of tough. They're usually kind of tough on the larger sizes like this, so let's see now. Cut that little junction there. There. Ooh, is this one tough? Yeah. That's it. That's all you gotta do. I'm done. Just rinse it off, and that's it.
All right, aloha guys. Got lucky. Got a papio. Papio is known as a trevally in Hawaii that is under 10 pounds. Okay, how do we clean it? All right, this is a scaler. I kind of like to do my stuff out in the field, especially when it comes to scales, because you try to do this at home, the girlfriend / wife will be pissed, because you're gonna have scales that are flying. See, when it's wet, the scales don't fly, but when it's dry, oh, trust me, it's gonna go flying. Okay, this scaler is not bad. It's a Japan style scaler, but it has this area to catch all the scales at. Now, normally I give away my fish. I just thought, hey, it'd be nice if I just showed how to do this part of it. All right. Okay, so there we go. Running out of buckets, so I'm gonna use a bag. Okay, now you have these things here. These are called scoots. Those are all the scales bunching up together to form these sharp ridges. That's why when you go lure fishing or GT fishing, you have to have a rub line. I don't think I can get it with this one today. Let me see. Maybe I can with this. Might be small enough. Yep, still small enough. When they get bigger, this is like a sharp knife, okay? Oops. Slippery little sucker. And I see two mongooses up there watching me. These are the mongooses that take my sandwiches and everything else that is unprotected here, so you really got to be careful about that. Okay, so I take off the scales. Now, basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go use my kitchen shears, go up the anal track, which is in between the two pelvic fins, all right? So you're just going to cut it. Now over here, you got the bone between the pelvics. Got to kind of put a little bit more muscle into this one. There. You heard that? That means I went to it. And over here, you got some more bone. There's so many different ways of doing this. This is the way that I do it. There. Okay. Now you got this little connection here that for the gills that connects. You can snip that. This is where you're going to be careful. You're in an area that's heavily fished like here. Sometimes you might have a hook stuck in there, so you have to be real careful about that. Just pull this. Put this down. Grab this. Pull it. Oh, this one is difficult. It's not a big one, but it's a fat one. See, what I'm doing is I'm clipping where the gills are connected over here. See that? Okay. Twist from side to side. Put my finger in the back cavity. There we go. Now it's starting to come out. And we're going to use There, see that? Boy, the stomach is empty. It's probably why he ate this. He was kind of hungry. I had crab out. I don't know what happened to the crab. The crab probably fell out as soon as he hit. But see, he's all cleaned out. That's all you have to do. And since I'm right here next to the water, I'm going to feed the crabs with this. Take this home. You can steak it, you can fillet it, make sashimi, do whatever you want. But that's how I clean it. All right? Thank you. You know what? I decided to take the scoots off after all. There's still some of it left. So you grab the tail. Some of the smaller ones, you can just take it off the way I tried. This is not exactly a small one. So there's one scoot there. See how sharp that is? That will cut you up. That's why you have a rub line. So when the fish comes against the rub line, the fish is rubbing the line and won't break your leader. That's when you're specifically targeting this species. That's it. That's all you have to do.